How to upload content on Zedge. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will learn how we can upload content on Zedge. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, make sure that you're logged in into your Zedge account. So once you're on this interface, in order to upload content, navigate to the top right corner and there is this upload button. You have to click on upload. That's gonna take you to this page. Here you will be able to find all of your content on Zedge. Now to upload contents, navigate to your left hand side. There is this option as upload more. Click on it. Here it says drag and drop or browse. So you can directly drag and drop your files or any of the images, videos that you wanna upload and drag it here, or you can also browse it. Click on this option here. From your device, you have to select the content that you want to upload. For example, I have some content right here. I will just select one from here, then click on open. After you do that, now you have to add title to your content. You can also add tags. Under that, you must have a category about your content. And under that, you can also add the description. If you want to check this option here that says this content is for mature audience, if it is so, click on the tick mark and then click on upload. After that, your selected content will be uploaded in your Zedge account. So that's how you upload content on Zedge, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.